Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 28th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the weekly time frame to start with. So I wanted to start off on the weekly time frame because this move down is way too strong, I think, to be the wave 4 on the daily. So most likely the weekly time frame wave 3 is complete, which the 261 is a perfect area to end a wave 3. If this is a wave 4, then it's going to be a pullback to the whole wave 3, so we need to have a Fibonacci. Actually, the Fibonacci should be down even more. It should be right here because this likely would be a pullback to the whole move up starting way back here, most likely going at least to the 38%, which is right around the 3350 area. It's not just going to shoot down there like that, most likely. More than likely, if it's a wave forward, it's still going to make a very overlapping corrective pattern over the next several weeks to several months, making a wave forward that will probably last about the same time as this wave 2 right here, which is a very long time. I think this wave 2 is at least 180 days. So anyways, going all the way down to the daily, we still got our Fibonacci retracement on here just because those are definitely going to be areas of support. But right now, we definitely want to be looking for sorts. Definitely a very strong move. This 38% level just caused a little ABC pullback, and then bam, it just took right off. I personally would be only looking for sorts right now. So unfortunately, the strategy right now is to either already be short from up here or maybe even up here, waiting for an exit, or the strategy right now on gold would have to be to be patiently waiting for a pullback to go short again. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now. The only thing to do right now is to already be short or to be patiently waiting for more shorts. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.